everyone, good morning. It's 5:30 a.m. I'm already on the road. While half of the Mumbai is snoring, I am chasing clouds. Today's destination, it's Lonavala. No plan, no playlist, just petrol, fun, power.
बोलो जुबान तीसरी
Let's see what the monsoon gods have planned for me. So I have plans to find some hidden spots in Lonavala, which I'm already aware of, but because it's monsoon, so I'm not sure whether we would be able to reach there or no. But yes, one thing I'm damn sure is if not the hidden spots, then we'll at least find some good chai spot and vada pav. So let's move ahead. So first stop would definitely be petrol pump because dreams don't run on empty tanks and neither does this Himalayan. Feels like I'm riding more for the petrol pump loyalty points than the view. But I feel it would be worth it. पेट्रोल का रेट देख के तो आंखें फुल आई बट द बेस्ट पार्ट टैंक इज फुल इमोशनली ऑल्सो सो मेंटली रेडी टू लीव द ट्रैफिक एंड चेस सम पीस दैट्स व्हाट वी आर लुकिंग फॉर टुडे सो लेट्स गो मेक दिस क्लच ऑन इट्स कीप सो ये वो टाइम है जब मुंबई भी इंट्रोवर्ट लगती है लाइक मुंबई रोड्स आर सो काम राइट नाउ इवन द potholes seem to be asleep and yes this is the golden hour where the city behaves you won't find anyone no noise nothing not even those honk wale uncles it's just pure peace. So crossed into a greener territory now. You know it's a good ride when you don't feel like checking your phone. And to be very honest, अभी तो मेरे फ़ोन का बैटरी भी बोल रहा है to enjoy the ride. I'll see you later because it's completely dead. From here we will be taking the Mumbai Pune Highway, and thereafter you will find to see more better scenic views. Let's move ahead. So this is what we were waiting for. Finally we are on Mumbai Pune Highway, and अभी तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि एक बार बस घाट का कर्व मिल जाए तो मैं मेरी ज़िंदगी के सारे कर्व्स भूल जाऊँ. This stretch is pure therapy. If this doesn't fix your mind, try some chai and Bollywood song. I feel I need to stop for the real fuel, chai and idli. Idli feels like जिंदगी में सब कुछ कितना भी हार्ड हो, इडली तो सॉफ्ट है. वो गाइस, ये व्यू देख के तो व्हाट्सएप डीपी अभी से चेंज करने का मन कर रहा है. लाइक आई जस्ट फील लाइक ग्रीनरी जस्ट एक्सप्लोडेड. लाइक किसी ने अभी सैचुरेशन और मैं राइट में क्यों डालूं?
राइट से जाने तो सीधा, इधर से राइट से सीधा जाने तो व्यू के पास पहुंचे.
इधर से जाऊँ ना?
हाँ सीधा, राइट से सीधा. पकोड़े में सब मिलेगा. राइट 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 टू राइट. इधर आने दीजिए. रास्ता व्यू के पास आने दीजिए.
So here we are. We have finally reached Tiger Point in Lonavala. बहुत ज़्यादा fog है. There's no view around, but लोग काफ़ी ज़्यादा हैं. Iconic but always worth it. Feels like यहाँ पे किसी ने open AC चला के छोड़ दिया है. Wind in face, clouds in hair. That's what Lonavala is. Let's look for some place to have garma garam vada pav and chai. I think now it's time for some off-roading like wobbly path, losing gravel, bumpy roads, hard-doing bhangra and dil mange more. The perfect combo that can never exist. So let's leave Tiger Point, move towards our hidden destination that we were talking about in the beginning. I'll see you guys soon. Woo! Found it. Here we are. This is the spot. No filters, no noise. Just peace and maybe a few more frogs. So let's go. I'll bike ride till the end, till the peak, so that we get the best view that's possible. And guys, I'm really sorry, ये place इतनी hidden है कि Google Map भी इसको spot नहीं कर पा रहा है. So I'm not able to add location over here, but if anyone's interested to visit this location, please comment down. I'll share the exact like route to route map how to reach over there from Tiger Point. Okay, so now it's time to head back. Legs are tired, height is full, GoPro ki storage is crying, it's completely full. This side I feel it had everything, right? Mist, mountains, madness, and if you like this, I would all to subscribe. And अगर लोनावला नहीं आना है तो you don't enjoy mountains, you don't enjoy fogs, I would request you guys leave your home, get your bikes. At least चाय के लिए आ जाओ. Lonavala is the best spot to have your early morning chai. और हाँ यार, it's for everyone. Whether you ride in cities, you go for rides. Please wear your helmet. Tight your buckles, because when you're on bike, तो दिल विल नहीं होता. It's just your clutch and brakes, and your precaution is in your hands. Take care of yourself, take care of your bike, and try to enjoy the views as much as possible.